Introducing the GASR-3D Terrier, the next generation ground and air surveillance radar, powered by advanced FMCW technology to avoid short-range blind zones and unique AESA transmission to enhance sensitivity without any moving parts. The Terrier delivers automatic detection, classification, and tracking of multiple targets simultaneously. From Class 3 UAS to Class 1 UAS to pedestrian and ground vehicles, all detected in real time with unparalleled precision. Digital beamforming enables full sector scanning in milliseconds without moving parts, ensuring rapid tracking of fast maneuvering targets. Built for versatility and reliability. The compact, lightweight design enables rapid deployment in challenging environments, seamlessly integrates with third-party effector and jammer systems, including very short-range air defense system networks. Military Standard 810G certified for harsh environmental conditions. Command and control integration via Ethernet ensures compatibility with existing C4I and electro-optic systems. Innovation in service of security. GASR-3D Terrier, protecting what matters most.